Now let's talk about construction virtual assistant. Ano nga ba yung construction virtual assistant? Kasi, ang dami nagsasabi dito na pwede kang maging construction virtual assistant kahit wala kang construction background, kahit wala kang construction or engineering or architectural degree. Pwede naman. Pag ginusto mo, walang problema. Pwede ka mag-research. Pwede ka mag-training. Hanap tayo ng post sa Upwork about construction virtual assistant role. Ha? Wait lang. Okay. I'm gonna help you guys hanap ng role ng isang construction virtual assistant. Or, eto, siguro sabihin na natin etong project and admin coordinator. Buksan ko to. Opening to a new window. Please bear with me. Okay. So, if you're after doing this role, ang responsibilities mo ay executive and office support, answer calls, schedule meetings, site views, project appointments, client communication, communication with homeowners, etc., sub-coordination, vendor and supplier communication, project organization, financial and administrative support, general operations support. That is a very good example of a construction virtual assistant role. Mali lang yung title ng nag-post. If you can notice, there is no specific task that directly focuses on the construction process or construction work. Wait, may papakita pa ako. Nagre-resolve lang kayo ng scheduling. But you are not going to do the scheduling. Yan ang construction virtual assistant. That's the beginner course. And kahit na wala kang construction background, pwede. Kasi what they're after is yung alam mo lang yung mga office applications, konting experience siguro. Organization. Sa ganito, they want someone who knows how to use QuickBooks, financial management. Ito yung tinuturo namin sa beginner course na construction virtual assistant course. Lahat ng sinabi dito. Yan ang construction VA. Okay? If you're a construction VA, your role is to assist construction professionals. Ano ba yung virtual assistants? Ano ba yung word na assistant? Diba? So, tama nga naman. You can be a construction virtual assistant kahit na wala kang construction degree, kahit na wala kang engineering degree, kahit hindi ka architect, kahit wala kang construction background. Ano ba yan? Tumatay yung mga buhok ko. Ano ba yan? Pwede naman. Yes. Pero, this is a plus for those with construction background, for those with construction degree. Bakit sa tingin ninyo? You're trying to transition to a remote work na as a construction professional, yun ang ginagawa mo. Forever ka na lang ba magiging construction virtual assistant? Of course not, right? Because you also aspire to grow in this industry, in this field, in this niche. So if you are a construction professional, you have the edge, you have the advantage. Do you think sa mga mag-a-apply between ikaw na isang construction professional versus doon lang sa mga walang background sa construction, sino sa tingin mo yung mas shortlist? Sila o ikaw? But construction virtual assistant role is open to anyone, especially dun sa mga nag-VA na. Pero guys, iba yung pagko-construction virtual assistant sa project scheduler, construction project manager, construction estimator. Iba po yun. Huwag nating i-generalize ang ginagawa ng mga construction virtual assistant sa mga roles na specific. Pre-construction manager. Kasi iba sila. And they will never be the same. Kasi nga, construction virtual assistant is assisting construction professionals, contractors, assisting contractors, construction project managers. They even assist estimators. They even assist schedulers. Ano ba ginagawa nila? They provide documentation, project organization, general operation support. That is construction virtual assistant. So yes, anyone can be a construction virtual assistant. But if you're looking towards stepping up, elevate yourself, do you think you can grow there in that role? Anong magiging susunod mong role after construction virtual assistant? That's a question for you to answer. So next vlog ko is about construction project management. Guys, I've been a construction virtual professional, not a construction virtual assistant, okay? I've been a remote construction professional for over 10 years. And I'm speaking from experience. Ayun lang. I hope I'm making sense. Bye.